I'm going to show you guys how I take care of my skin using Kiehl's products. So as you guys know, wedding season is on, and in this busy schedule it's really important to take care of my skin. And as you can see, I have like acne, oily skin. So I'm going to show you guys what all products I use for my skin. So let's just get started. So guys, as you know, the first step is cleansing your skin, and of course with a face wash. So I'm going to be using this face wash from Kiehl's. It's Blue Herbal Acne Cleanser Treatment Face Wash basically. It's like really good for acne and oily skin, because of course we actually require a treatment based face wash. So cleansing your skin twice a day is a must for healthy skin. Make sure your hands are clean. Taking the face wash like this and cleaning your skin in circular motion, creating a foam. So now I have washed my face, and next step, as you guys know, it is of course toning. So I'm going to be using this Calendula Herbal Extract Alcohol Free Toner. So it smoothens and tones your skin. So I'm going to show you guys how to use this. You have to shake it nicely and then put some drops on cotton pad and then gently dab like this all over your face. So my next step will be applying this serum from Kiehl's, of course. It's called as Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution. So basically this helps in reducing the dark spots on your face. So you have to take the serum like this on your fingers and then apply it all over your face. And you can repeat this step on the areas where you feel okay, you have pigmentation and you really need to get rid of it. So like this. And my next step is very important, which is a must for all skin type. It is a powerful strength line reduction concentrate. It has vitamin C. So yes, vitamin C is very important for all of us. Like this, and dabbing it all over your face. And now we need to moisturize the skin. So I'm going to be using this one. This is called as Ultra Facial Oil Free Gel Cream. So basically it's for oily and acne skin, and it's like a non-greasy moisturizer, and it gives like a very smooth texture, nourishes your skin. And last but not the least, as you guys know, sunscreen, which is a must. So this one is Ultra Light Daily UV Defense Aqua Gel Sunscreen, and it completely controls the oil and it gives a very nice shine at the same time. As you guys know, sunscreen, which is a must. So this one is Ultra Light Daily UV Defense Aqua Gel Sunscreen, and it completely controls the oil and it gives a very nice shine at the same time.